Hello everyone, in this video we will see how I can export a data for a particular field value or any particular sales rep. So for that, first go to the filters, on filter, select the field value. Let's suppose I want to download the data for salesperson Amit Makkad. Apply the filter. Now once the filter has been applied, go to the actions, click on export, select the fields you want to export and click on export. Then XLX format or whatever format you want to export. So once you click on it, a export process will start in the background. Now to download that exported data in your local system, go to the home screen icon. Under tools, click on export, and under export you can see the top file is for the data exported. If you want to view, you just click on it and you can check the details also. Thank you.